So we're here today to add handles and change the lock. See if it's unlocked. Yeah, it's unlocked. Hello? Hello, is anybody home? Yeah, I'm here to add a handle to the door and change the locks. Anybody home? Oh, Jesus, look at that knife. Hello? Oh, there's the lock. See if this works. Key wind. Alright, so it's a key wind. Winkhouse key wind. Okay, yeah, let's get the lock in there. Let's test it out. Working just fine. Key wind is working, so let's get handles on there. Right. So the lock works. Let's grab a set of handles, stick them on, stick the lock on, and get out of here. Screws. So I'm going to put the screws in, see how much I need to take off, if any. Pull the battery out. Really sort that back out. Doesn't look like any. I put the shorter of the two screws in. Take a picture for them now. That's 35, 35 in this, so let's do a 40, 40. Might even be a 45. So 45, 50, 45, 45. It's too long. It's better. Get out of it. Get that key safe on. All done. Done. Done and dusted. 50, 45 now, isn't it? That's mine, that's mine. I think it's the other one. So that's the door locked. Key wind, gearbox, door open. Don't need to lift the handle on this one. It's called a key wind. So you're just attracting the bolts out. Locked, locked. And once it's done, you can just do that with the handle as well. All done. Right, onto the key safe. Right, let's do the key safe. I'll put it next to these ones, might put it there. Oh look, might even put it there. They sync up. There you go, key safe's done. Just got to put the keys in now. Holes were already there, there must have been a key safe there before. So I'm just going to do a key safe now for them and then we're done. So all finished.